ready to turn Propstream leads into Propwire profits and amplify your distressed property sales. First, let's crack open Propstream and target those diamonds in the rough. Navigate to the distressed property filter and narrow down your ideal investment once you've found a promising lead. It's time to gather the critical intel. Click into the property details to extract the full address, the owner's name, and any available equity information. This data is gold for your next step. Now, we're heading over to Propwire, your powerhouse for listing and marketing. Create a new property listing here. You'll meticulously transfer the information you just gathered from Propstream. Paste in the full address and the owner's name for accuracy. Don't forget to include any equity figures or notes about the property's condition. This context is crucial for buyers. But we're not just stopping at data entry. Propwire excels at presentation. Upload compelling photos that showcase the property's potential. Even if it's a fixer-upper, craft a concise yet persuasive description, highlighting the distressed nature of the property as a unique opportunity for investors. Think fixer-upper with serious potential, or motivated seller looking for a quick close. Propwire is designed to get your listings seen. Utilize the built-in social media sharing tools to expand your reach beyond your immediate network. Ensure your contact information is clearly displayed so interested buyers can reach out instantly. Propwire's user-friendly interface and marketing tools are your secret weapons for closing these deals faster. By seamlessly linking Propstream's powerful search capabilities with Propwire's expansive marketing platform, you can effectively list and sell distressed properties, putting more profit in your pocket. Happy listing.